So Will Johnson back again for another new home tour. This is the part 2 of David Weekly Homes. We're going to be looking at the Milburn home. As you see, very nice home. David Weekly does a really good job at the finishes and the inside. So guys, this is the Riceland community in Mont Belvieu, Texas. If you're new to my videos or my content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button to keep up with my content. I cover the Mont Belvieu, Baytown, and the Dayton, Texas areas, and all the new construction that you will be seeing within those. So everybody's been excited about this Riceland community. A lot of people have been coming out. They had an event a couple of weeks ago that's been bringing a lot of people here by. So everyone's excited about the community. This community goes right up to Eagle Point. It also is very close to the city hall and the police and the fire department. So it's kind of in the, I guess you would call it, the downtown area of Mont Belvieu. And everybody likes Eagle Point because Eagle Point is a recreation center. It's a golf course, and it's also close to the park. So this community is going to have certain amenities. They're going to have a town center, and it's going to be right there by the city hall. You guys can see how it looks. I'm going to show a few pictures of it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video by David Weekly Home, a luxury builder here in the Houston area, here now in Mont Belvieu, Texas. Very excited to look at this home. The sales agent is Jessica. Nice lady. If you guys are looking forward to getting a house, she'll be able to help you with anything, any concerns, any questions, and of course yours truly will be able to help you also. So yeah, guys, one thing I like about this one is they still have the garage doors on it, so you guys can kind of see what it looks like with the garage doors versus having to see glass there and not being able to see the garage door. And without further ado, let me show you guys the house. Nice hallway, lights there. First front bathroom. And David Weekly does a very good job at staging the homes. Immediately to the left here, this is where the garage would be. Here's the washroom. So this would normally be a bedroom in the house, but this is where they allow for you to pick out all of your tile and carpet and cabinets. And see it's connected to another bedroom there. So this is like a media room. Love the design here. Master with the arch ceiling. Well, there you go. Another nice home here in the Riceland community. This being David Weekley home. This being their second home, second model home called the Millburn. I loved it. It was very nice. Like again, you guys probably saw from the video footage that David Weekley home has a lot of nice complex designs within the house that makes it so much better than the regular box rooms that you get. You kind of got the game room or the media room intertwined with the living room, and that was very nice. The kitchen was had different dimensions to it. When you went there and looked at the what do you call it, the pantry, that area looked very nice. So I'm very impressed with what they do here. I don't remember seeing a tub in this one. I take it that you could have a tub option, but in this one I didn't see any tub. A lot of people don't use a tub anymore. Me personally, I would rather have the option to have a tub and a shower, but it was very, very nice. The shower is very nice, a long shower, step down shower. So yeah, guys, David Weekley Homes really came with it with this one. And hey, this is what you can look forward to here in the Riceland community. So again, if you guys are interested in the community or getting a home here, my contact information is somewhere on the screen. You guys can reach out to me any way you know how. Also, guys, I'm gonna be doing more content as they continue to build spec homes. This was my last home on the model script to do. They're also gonna have another model script with the other product. This is gonna be a smaller product. I'm gonna also show you guys all of those homes. But yeah, it's been very nice. As you guys can see, construction is booming right here behind me. They don't even have the back fence up yet. You guys hear generators going, but David Weekley, again, did a very nice job with surround sound everywhere. You can hear the radio even out here. Both of their models have surround sound everywhere. So I really like that. You can tell they thought about a lot of the qualities within the house. And guys, to continue to keep up with my content, please remember to subscribe to my channel to keep up with what's going on. Also, guys, I want to thank you guys, as I always do, for subscribing and keeping up with my content. I also want to thank you guys for giving me an opportunity to help you guys and serve you guys. Without you, I don't have any business. So thank you guys for using me as a real estate agent. And yeah, guys, just remember, with new construction home, you get 10-year warranty, you get a 10-year structural warranty. That is, you get a 2-year warranty on your appliances, and you get a 1-year warranty on anything that has went wrong. So definitely the way to go when buying a house, if you can afford a house, that versus a resale. That's what I always recommend, guys. David Weekley Homes here does the spray foam installation, so that's another nice thing to them and another nice perk that they have going on. Yeah, so guys, remember to subscribe again, and remember to comment below on anything else you guys may be interested in, looking at or seeing. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Also, remember, if you want searching for new homes, go to Williamtjrealty/new home construction, or go to Mont Belvieu homesforsale.com. And until then, see you guys in the next video.